nagdulot na matinding takot at kaguluhan sa San Jose National School, Tacloban City matapos maganap ang isang insidente ng pamamaril. Maabot na sa 4, tatlo yung mga balagita at isang binatang konfirmadong nasawi.
Can we say that actually someone is at fault here?
I think definitely there will be people at fault. So number one, I think just to put it out there talaga, yung mga adults surrounding the child, the fact that they were able to get access, na may access sila sa barel.
Eh yung bata na yan, nakamatay yan eh! Nakamatay yan! Nakamatay yan ang tao! So ano? Ibababahay pag-asa lang yun?
I think walang may isang sagot kung paano talagang bibigay yan. Kasi, of course, we can imagine all these parents are probably feeling I can never forgive. Hindi ko kayang ipagpatawad o magpatawad sa mga taong ito kahit mga bata pa to. And karapatan nila maramdaman yun. Instead, mas palakasin, mas palalimin pa ang ating mental health services, ang ating community mental health services, ang ating family development services.